Hey y'all, Dan here, back with a real quick tutorial. I just wanted to show off something fun I was doing. If you're like, I don't know, in a creative rut, need something fun to mess around with Ableton. I've been having a lot of fun messing around with envelope followers. I'm doing this just with operator right now, but you could take this concept and like put it to anything that's mappable. Obviously, you can't use it to things that aren't mappable, but you know, you got to find that out because that's the anyways. But anyways, I've got an operator. This is just a default preset I got from Ableton. It's Shy Lo-Fi Keys. And what I'm doing is I have an envelope follower on it. So what you'll notice is whenever you play anything, it follows the envelope. But the cool thing about that is you can then map that. So you can have anything mapped to your sound basically. So you can basically do anything with that. Like you could put an effect in here, you could have that mapped to reverb. But what I've been doing is I've been mapping it to the synth itself. So the sound itself is actually affecting what it's doing. And I don't know, it's just been fun. You get a lot of weird sounds really fast, and I like that. So if you wanted to make some weird stuff, I've been messing around with this. So anyways, but yeah, you can map this, and there's a bajillion things. So let's map that to like the attack. And like, you just get real weird stuff now, you know? Like it's... And like, I'll show you, I turn that off. Put the attack back to where it used to be. Yeah, better. Like it is doing, and you would want to increase the gain here probably to get... I don't know, but I've just been having a lot of fun with this. It's been cool. You can do a lot of different things. Let's map. It's another tip. You can go down here and just like put some percentages in, and then map it later, so that like you don't have to go and like, oh, I need a 1 to 3rd. You can just be like, oh, I've got my 1 to 33 right here, and then you can just map it. Anyways, but let's map that to the space. So that's like really cool. I don't know. That's just an idea you can try out. But real quick, I will show you how to do it in something else, like an effect, just for fun. So let's, like for example, I'm throwing on an acid bass here. It's just another operator thing. But then what we'll do is we'll actually take the envelope follower. It's all mapped to stuff already. We should go and delete that. Anyways, just cleaning stuff out real quick. But then we want to say, let's put that on an effect. Like, let's put that on an EQ. And we're going to map that to this. But we're going to map it to its frequency. So it's going to but it's going to be low. So, but let's see if we can move it over a little with this. We get this real weird sound. The dynamic filter, it was super easy to do. It took me a little bit, but I don't know. Just figured I'd show you something cool to mess around with. Figured people might get a kick out of this. So yeah, everybody, have a great day.